Hey guys, I'm gonna start doing stuff new this time. I'm gonna start putting out videos constantly. Sure is. And let me show y'all with now if y'all already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Again, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. That's the only way to support me. Content creators, we won't be out here doing this for our health. We're trying to make a living too. So please like, share, and subscribe, guys. Please. Like we content creators gotta beg y'all to click the like button. Like, come on now. And then share my video too. Because I have a lot of videos. I have over 198 videos. I'm at 200 now. So y'all need to check my videos out, my older ones, my recent ones, and previous ones, and look through there. I have edifying videos that y'all can share with y'all family, man. Now, another thing I wanted to talk to y'all about for my people, so-called African Americans that think that they're African American, and I respect you if you don't feel that way, that you are Israelite, which is your nationality, and Jew is your ethnicity. Okay, your ethnicity. But the Halloween is coming up, their pagan Halloween. Boy, I'm telling you, like, you got to be asleep. In this, with all of this technology and information in the world now, no black, so-called black person should still be walking around calling themselves African American or black. If you still doing that, your ass is asleep. You need to wake the hell up. And if you ain't waking up, the Most High ain't dealing with you. You part of the 2/3. You part of the people that is not gonna make it in the remnant. You're not part of the remnant. But I'm finna get started with like a vlog today, and whoever don't like it, hey, whoever don't like it, don't like it. But I wanted to briefly talk about Halloween, that they pagan Halloween. That's crazy if anybody's still celebrating that. And then what makes me sit with Christianity, because I used to be in a situation like that when I didn't know who I was. And like when you was in Christianity, you was sitting up here celebrating Halloween, but they were like, oh, we're not doing it in the way that they're doing it. Like, I remember like years ago, before I came into the truth, in Birmingham, Alabama, I used to go to New Hope. And people that's from Birmingham know New Hope, Pastor Clark. Man, and his younger assistant pastor, I forgot his name. That was my dude, my boy there, man. He had got me married to my ex-husband. And I remember when we had went to the haunted house, it was like a Christianity haunted house. But the nonsense and foolishness that they do in Christianity, like, how the hell you gonna mix Halloween, pagan ass Halloween, with the Bible when the Bible, nowhere in the Bible it tells you to celebrate Halloween? Like, anyways, and I'm on my 4th day of Feast of Tabernacles too, guys. On the 4th day of my Feast of Tabernacles. And y'all have to go look at my my recent previous videos where I showed my temporary TP that I made. But also, guys, I wanted to tell y'all to go check out my posts, my community posts. I have YouGov, which is a politics for paid surveys. And if y'all are interested, that's a way to support me. And I'm gonna show y'all the screen because I need some referrals. So I put the link in my community post. But right here you'll see where I have 21 and I need 3,100 more points to go before I can cash out for $15. Please go on my community post, and I mean, I'm not even asking y'all for much. Like, help a sister out. God damn. I keep asking y'all over and over again. Y'all just, some of y'all like it or whatever, and I still don't get no support. Like, I might have got a here, 1, 2 here and there that might have signed up through Receipt Hog, and I appreciate that, and that really helped me because I was able to cash out for $5. But guys, help a sister out so I can get $15. I'm broke as hell. I can use this few dollars to take care of little things around my house and keep my little lights and water on. So guys, go check out my referral link. And in the next clip, I'm finna get ready to show y'all what I got from Instacart. I mean, not Instacart, from Walmart. Okay, guys, this is my 4th day of Feast of Tabernacles. Before I get ready to show y'all what I had brought with my groceries, I'm showing y'all the front that I did for my TP. I covered it up with this because I normally use the tent, but y'all have to go back and look at my videos and why I can't do the tent and the whole state park. But yeah, this is the 4th day of the Feast of Tabernacles. Shout out to all my precious Israelite sisters and brothers. I love you guys. Happy Feast of Tabernacles, tabernacling. I think this is the 4th day that we're observing it. And then you open it up, and then I made like a little homemade sleeping bag and my pillow, and then like the other part of the TP. So that's pretty much it. It's nothing and now I'm about to get ready to show y'all my shopping haul. And I'm finna try to make this video where it's not too long. And guys, I swear, during the winter time, my face gets so, like, look at that rash. Like, it gets so irritated. But anyways, guys, let me show y'all my shopping haul. I'm not gonna talk on that because I'm gonna fast forward it.